Hey everyone, welcome back to Windowz Tech today. I'll guide you through how to enable dark mode across all apps in Windows 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable dark mode in Windows Settings. Open Settings. Go to Personalization. Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, select Dark. This will apply dark mode to system apps and many third-party apps that support it. Step 2. Check specific app settings. For Microsoft Office, open any Office app, for example, Word. Go to File, then go to Options. Under General, and under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, select dark gray or black for the Office theme. This method is for Microsoft applications. For browsers, for example, Chrome, Firefox, I have made a dedicated video for Google Chrome dark mode. I will leave the link in the description or at the end of the video. You can go and watch it. Step 3. Use high contrast themes alternative method. Once again, open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Click on the contrast theme. Then go to High Contrast. Turn on High Contrast and choose a dark theme you like. So these steps should help you enable dark mode across most apps in Windows 11. And that's how you can enable dark mode across all apps in Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.